And we're now back with another edition of Cooking with Caleb.
Well, there actually isn't any cooking done to this one. What? You want toast or a sandwich?
No matter.
You want jelly on it?
Yes, sir.
I didn't wash my hands.
You didn't?
You better not have been touching yourself before you make our sandwiches.
No, I washed my hands, yes. No, I really did. I mean, I didn't use soap, but I washed my hands.
Yeah, I washed them. I pissed on them.
Wait, no. Wait, yes. Hang on. No. The third sandwich fucked me. You gotta wipe the knife off, because you don't want to get no peanut butter in the jelly. Oh. No peanut butter in the jelly tonight. One for Kev. Oh. One for Evan.
Let's get that jelly off the table.
Bill, give me a second. You ever had apricot jelly?
No.
It's so good. And for the triple decker specialty Caleb car, let me show you what we're gonna do here. Even better. I should have thrown that out before.
Oh. Wipe that knife off, Bill. You just slaughtered your mouth all over.
Come on. You're fucking my video up, Evan. Jesus. Joe's probably in here slathering his fucking mouth out.
If he seen you do that, he'd slap you.
You want some butter with that sandwich, Bill?
Gotta have a lot of butter on it.
Everything's better with butter.
Exactly. Leave the jelly on the table for Evan to clean up. Ooh, that was a lot of butter on it. Man, you got no chips?
No.
What in the fuck is going on here?
It's horrible.
What?
It's horrible.
You don't like it?
No, you
Exactly. Italian bread will get you.
Mm-hmm.